Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It looks really good. Anyway, Game Xplan gave Color Splash a liked a lot rating while they gave Origami King a liked rating. I find this interesting because from what I've gathered, the general consensus is that Origami King is a much better game.
Take our lead.
Paper Mario was the one to change because its 3D graphics allowed for more dynamic action events. You can read the full interview at the US Gamer website. Tabata, so, as you know, the first Paper Mario was very much a role-playing game, and Mario and Luigi is of course also a role-playing game.
Take our lead.
Both Paper Mario games offer huge interconnected worlds to explore with fun and creative environments, but they differ primarily in tone. The Thousand-Year Door is filled to the brim with comedic relief and brilliant writing just like Origami King, but its tone is overall more serious.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Fans of Paper Mario are once again expressing their demands for a Switch port of Paper Mario, The Thousand-Year Door. This comes right after the release of Paper Mario, The Origami King on the Switch, which has been seen as controversial in the eyes of fans of the older titles.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.